So you're wondering how you can change Tymebank cell phone number. I had to contact Tymebank support through Facebook and they guide me on how I can change the cell phone number. So to change your cell phone number, you should visit your nearest PNP, Boxer or TFG kiosk. So after visiting to this your nearest such as PNP, Boxer or TFG kiosk, then you just need to log in to one of the kiosk at PNP, Boxer or TFG stores, select your profile, then my details, and change your number by verifying the OTP received on your new number. So you just need to visit one of the nearest locations that have been mentioned in this video. So that's how you can change your Tymebank cell phone number. If you have any problem with Tymebank, then they respond quick through the Facebook Messenger. So you can just contact them from there and they will guide you through all other problems. So thanks so much for watching and see you next time.